now that we got the bulk of the question in here, we're going to add some niceties. And these are sources, hints, and external links. They're all different types of links. So the first one I'm going to do is add a source, and I'm going to put that on the headline, which is we commonly do. And so to do that, I put the headline in brackets. And then in parentheses, I add the following: source / theonion.com, and then close the parentheses. Okay, you can see it's changed there. And if you hit this button here, or on any of these, it's best just to explore these things yourself. But if I click on that, it gives you an idea of what it will look like in the game. It's not completely right. I'll work on making it closer. But you can see there's a link that works, and etc. So okay, so we got one done. When the user clicks on that link in the game, then a pop-up will pop up that describes this source. So that the source, as you saw on the main menu, there's a source listing that will be available there. So you'll be able to find all the sources we already have. I happen to know this one is called theonion.com, so I put that. So with the prefix of the source and the onion, the game will know to pop up the media listing for the onion. Okay, now we're going to add a hint. So maybe the user, again, they're kind of silly, but maybe the player doesn't know what parody means, so we want to define that. I found a definition. So I went to Wikipedia here, and I'm just going to take this as a definition. So I'm going to select that and copy it to the clipboard, come over to the question, and this is going to be hint number 1, and I'll just put it like so. Okay, then to use that, I go to the words parody I have, and like before, I'll put the link, the part I want to display is the link in brackets, and then here I will put, inside parentheses, I will put hint 1. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on this one. Put it in brackets and say hint 1. Okay, so we have those, and in the game you'll see that if the player clicks on the word parody in either place, they will get a little pop-up that describes what a parody is. Okay, finally we're going to add an external link to the question here, where we say the full story is in the onion. So again, I'll take the onion and put brackets around it, and then parentheses, and I'll go back to the article, and I'm just going to copy the whole URL here, come back to the game and paste it in from the clipboard. And that is how you make sources, hints, and external links. We'll just take a quick look over here. So we'll see that those are links as we expected, and that one will go to hint 1, that one will go to hint 1, that one goes to 6-digit codes. I'm reading off at the very bottom of the screen. You can see where that target link goes to. That's it for this section.